Have you seen how our parents brush our teeth? Can you imagine doing the same with them? It's a dreadful experience for both us and for them. It's inhumane!
Max.
I'm sorry. Now I'll focus only on dogs.
This is a dog food!
Did you know that 84% of us already have oral health issues by the age of 3? It's like the #1 problem for us dogs. That bites.
I have chew toys, but they don't clean my teeth. And what's with these treats? I mean, they taste good, but do you really expect food to clean food? Does beef jerky brush your teeth?
Because of my bad breath, I can't talk to friends freely. So I lock myself at home for days. Man is dog's best friend, and I'm sure they'll find a way.
Introducing Bristly, the revolutionary brushing stick for dogs. It has paw pads, cleverly designed for easy holding. With a toothpaste reservoir and bristle-lined grooves, Bristly perfectly matches a dog's behavior and anatomy.
Hey, I'm Petros, the inventor of Bristly. When I lost my childhood dog Mickey due to oral disease, it was devastating. But that inspired me to come up with a solution to this crucial problem. As brushing remains the gold standard to oral disease prevention, I developed Bristly as a brushing stick to allow all dogs to take care of their own oral health.
The bristles help to clean teeth down to the gum line, preventing plaque and tartar buildup.
In the last 6 months, over 50,000 pet parents have tried our first version and they loved it. Their feedback has helped us come up with a version that's best suited to dogs' needs. Please back our campaign and help us empower all dogs to brush.
Soon, Monica will have more Instagram followers than Kim and LeBron. Harry spends more time on his hobbies.
There's a dog in the house.
Now everybody wants to hang out with Tina. And Max, he became a real heartthrob. Back our campaign to keep your dog healthy.